Welcome to Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing certificate program in yoga. In short, we say CPY. This is the assignments of 2025 July session. Now, the course code is CPY AS12. The last date of this course is 30 November 2025. Now, let's discuss about the course code. Course code is BYG002 and the last date of submission is 30 November 2025. The question number one discuss the nurse systems in detail and the right answers in 1200 to 1500 words. Each question carries 10 marks. Then you can see because this is a 10-mark question and other questions are also 10 marks questions, and if you want all other questions in a specific limit like here is given, which is 1200 to 1500, so you can contact us anytime because we provide different kind of the service apart from that also. So contact us anytime, we will provide different kind of services on your WhatsApp and on your Gmail. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you soon in the next video.